spider webs.
That's right, they do.
And they do have like spider webs. Like this. Like this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I do. And I like them.
Are those lion cubs?
Yeah, they're lions. Can you say lions?
Lions.
Good.
What is a lion? How does a lion talk?
Wow.
That's really good. Oh, you see the daddy lion with the long hair?
This one?
Yeah, he's got long hair. That's a boy lion. And the girl lions have short hair.
This is some fishes.
Mm-hmm. Is that the ocean?
Red. They're like red.
Do you see the Sesame Street when there's oceans? Who goes in the ocean?
Dolphin.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah.
Do you remember how we say dolphin in Spanish?
Yeah, dolphin in Spanish.
It's delfine.
Delfine.
Yeah.
It's delfine.
Where does the dolphin live?
It's the dolphin lives in the pool.
The pool, like the ocean pool, like the blue one?
Yeah.
Oh, what animal's that?
Turtle.
Oh, sea turtle. Hey, do you remember what they say in Finding Nemo? Fin, 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 noggin.
No.
Dude. Oh, what's that guy? Is that an otter?
Yeah, that is an otter. That is an otter. You wanna see?
Yeah.
Okay,
Ooh, what's that?
I'll find it. See?
Mm-hmm. What's on the next couple pages? Whoa, what's that red animal with the white suction cups?
So,
Oh, there's another otter.
I've got another otter. And another otter. Ooh, octopus.
They look kind of scary.
This one?
A little bit, doesn't he? He's got a big head and 8 arms.
Yeah, it does.
Is that how many arms he has? Can you count them?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, I think there's 8 if you keep counting.
5. Dolphin.
Oh, that's like a dolphin. It's called a whale. It's a different animal in the water.
Shark.
Mm-hmm. Big old whale.
Sharks. Oh, look.
Is that a meerkat?
No.
Is that a lemur?
No.
Ooh, what's that?
Ooh, snakes. Can you say snake?
Snake.
A snake.
What is a snake? What sound does a snake make
No,
when it talks?
snakes.
Snakes.
Yeah.
What sound does a snake make when it talks?
Do-do-da-da.
Does it hiss? Does it go hiss?
No, it doesn't.
No.
It goes da-da.
Oh, the one on your video does.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a little rodent. It's kind of like a mouse.
Oh, yeah, kind of like it now.
Oh, you see that lizard?
Yeah, there's 2 letters.
What's that? Is that a camel?
Yeah.
You know, that's Grandma's favorite animal.
Yeah.
Is he smiling at you?
Yeah.
See, they live in the sand.
He's smiling at me.
Yeah, he is.
The cocoa. That called the goats. Ooh. And the stuff. Ooh. Froggies. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit.